everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply. Today we're going to do just a couple basic wanding techniques. Some people have been asking about proper, forward and back, dry stroke versus wet stroke. So if you're getting a new portable package or even a truck mount, you're not sure how to wand. There's many different ways to wand. This is just my personal preference, so this is the way that I recommend, all the guys that I'm teaching. So we'll move to the wand here and I'll show you. It's pretty straightforward. I start on the right hand side and work to the left, and then I come back to the right with some dry strokes. We're going to start just doing almost like a slow motion to explain it. Then I'll do it again in real time. So the first time through it's going to look kind of choppy, but that's okay. So we'll start with a wet stroke forward, wet stroke backward over the exact same path, and then right at the end of our backstroke we're going to let up on the trigger to do, to suck up that little puddle right in the back end. And we'll come over, do a 50% overlap, forward, back, let up, 50% overlap, forward, back, let up, forward, back, let up, forward, back, and let up. So notice each wand stroke had a 50% overlap with the previous stroke. On the back stroke that is wet, we're letting go just in the last 2 inches to pick up the wet, because our jets are obviously spinning behind the wand. We want to suck up that little puddle. Then just come over to the next path, forward, wet, backward, wet, let up, and then suck up that little puddle. Then when you're done with that little section is when you do your dry strokes. You start doing your V's. Make it nice and neat. And then you can either be done like this, or the proper procedure would be to groom it with a carpet rake afterwards. It'll help the fiber nap of the carpet. It'll also help it dry faster. And there are actually some carpets that if you leave like this, it'll kind of lock in that design. Some customers like it different ways. Some cleaners like it different ways. But using this process, a forward wet, forward back will give you a really good rinse. And then to come back over it separate with complete dry strokes will give you a good dry time. So now to show you more the real time, since I did that kind of slow, I'll start over. So I go forward, notice at the end I let go of my trigger, so it's wet, or it's a dry stroke right at the end. Kind of just going in like a scoop motion, and then come back. And you don't need to go super fast. You also don't want to go too super slow. Just a nice steady pace. You want to give it a good rinse. It's not a race to win. We want to give a good quality clean to our customers, and that's about it. So if you guys have any questions, give me a shout. Dave at Clean Pro Supply. Have a good day.